Hello, Chef here, and what we've got here is the beginning of a grilled salsa. I've got some tomatillos. These are nice and ripe. They look really good. Yeah, we just give them a little peel off like this. Okay. When you roast them, you could actually leave this on. Makes a little handle there. Okay, so I got the tomatillos, I got the jalapenos, plum tomatoes, garlic. Okay, the peppers and the garlic and the tomatoes get a little bit of oil, a little bit of salt, touch of pepper, and these go on the grill. Tomatillos are going to get chopped up and simmered in water. This is what they look like after 10 minutes of simmering. Fire roasted. There we go. I normally remove the seeds out of my jalapenos, but that's entirely up to you. Okay, next step, we take the jalapeno and cut it in half. I like to leave some of the skin on, but I would definitely want to remove some of these seeds. It's too hot for the gringos, okay? Take the seeds out like this, and this is the edible part of the jalapeno, looking really good. Okay. Alright, once I remove all the seeds, I'm going to put this pepper in with the tomatoes. Sometimes I remove some of the skin, however I do want the color in there. So now I'm going to combine this with the tomatillos all together. Okay. Okay, everything goes right in the blender. And that's it. Goes into a bowl. At this point we taste it and adjust the seasonings. Salsa's pretty good. I add a little more salt. Gonna enjoy it with some nachos. Thanks for watching.